So, mag-unpack tayo ng maleta ni Lane kasi galing siya ng Japan. So, i-unpack natin. Kita ba? Okay lang akong matras. Kita siya? Oh, puro labada. Mag-unpack pala ako ng labada niya. So, mga sayo na to eh. And this one muna. This from the Philippines, Mamon. Ah, pwede pa. Ah, from Red Ribbon na ano, different flavors ng Mamon. Thank you. For the pasalubong. Ang lagay mo na sa fridge. Magbabaon ako mamaya. Yung cheesy. Thank you for the Mamon. Ito, ano to? May ano ba to? Mga toiletries. Dun. Another labada, guys. Eh, puro damit mo to eh. Ba't itong pina-unlock mo? Okay, another pasalubong from the Feels. Siyempre, ang special pulveron. Okay, edi sa'yo. Pati yung, ano, yung pinipig tsaka cashew sa'yo. Akin ube, tsaka classic. Thank you. That's it. Puro labada mo to eh.
Sabi mo yan eh.
Ayoko nito. Gusto ko yung ano, mga pinabili ko, mga pasalubong, ganyan. Ay! Talagang ako pa mag-unlock. Ah, natabingi na yung zipper. Ay, naku po. Sorry, Chico. Tamaan ko si Chico Pot. Can you zip, unzip, please? Your side. This one. Okay, ready, guys? Ready? Ay! Bakit yung mga damit na Ella nandito pa?
Kasi hindi lang kasi sa bag niya.
Ay, naku, Oli! Oh, mga labada ni Ellen. Nakarating pa ng ano, Australia. Ikaw talaga, Ellen Pot? Yay! Ay, di mo binigay sa akin yung binili mo sa duty free. Ito pa, ginamit niya ba yung pajama niya?
Yeah. Daming labada.
Dami kong labada, Ellen. Ay, nabutas. Hindi mo sinecure yung ano, power board. Nabutas si Tokyo Banana. So, una, Pokemon na Tokyo Banana. Masarap to, guys. Oh, meron pa ito pa isa. Coffee. Hindi pa natin to natikman. Coffee milk flavor na Tokyo Banana. Hindi pa natin ito natikman. Natikman natin na isang flavor before. Original, tsaka may isa pa. Caramel. Oh, nice. Ito, Royce. Royce Potato Chip Chocolate. Okay, matagal pa expiration. Very good. Oh! Chocolate sticks.
That's from Vietnam.
Ah, from Vietnam. Okay, halo-halo. Okay, this is chocolate sticks from Vietnam. Is it only one flavor? Ay, hindi ko maintindihan. May dark, may milk, caramel, white chocolate. Okay, iba-ibang flavors. Is this effective? This is for the tired legs. Ang mga hino-hoard din to pa nagpupunta ng Japan. Maganda ba to? Effective? Have you tried it? You've tried it? Okay. Is it like a mentally feeling?
Yeah.
Cooling effect? Okay, ito na yung mga pinabili ko, guys. Oh, sweet potato chips. Oh, matagal pa expiration. Mga spray na
That's
sunscreen.
mine.
I think I have like this pa from last time. Bior na sunscreen spray.
Ang bundol ni Grace.
Ah, ito, pang ano, ang tawag doon, yung mga warmer something? Heat pack. 12 pieces na heat pack. Is it effective? Have you tried it?
Ask Grace. Should
Why you didn't try it? Ah, ito. Is this for you?
Yeah. Nabudol ni Grace.
For the face?
Si Grace nagsabi niya.
For the face?
Yeah.
Oh.
Moisturizer.
It's a moisturizer spray. Ang brand niya is
Curel.
Curel. Okay, and then one more. What's this? Ah, it's the same. Oh, bakit one
May
small?
malaki niyan. Pero ayaw ni Grace. Sabi niya, eto muna maliit. Okay, hindi ang kinuha ko.
Eh, ba't dalawa?
Gusto ko.
Okay, so moisturizing spray. Ay, hindi to maganda.
Oh, sabi ni...
May ganito ko. Anessa na
Oh, that's for me.
sunscreen. Okay.
That's for me.
Binigyan ako ni ate, hindi ako nagandahan. Kaya hindi ako nagpabili.
Meron pa rin isa pa.
Okay, para sa kanyang tired legs.
Ay, galing yan dito.
Ba't kasi nandito? Oh, this is a wrap. White chocolate. I like white chocolate. Dars. Okay, that's it. Oh, akala ko ba you don't like kalat, but you uwi paper bags.
Manong nilagay yung mga ganyan.
Who's Manong?
Yung nagtitinda ng Tokyo Banana.
See, it's so cute. It's Pokemon. It's Minion. Nasaan yung ano ni Minion?
Oh, we ate it.
You ate it already?
Yeah, 4 pieces.
Oh, you didn't even give me one to try.
Marami ka ng Tokyo Banana.
Is it the same?
Yeah.
All Tokyo Banana? What's this? This is another labahin.
That's labada.
So many labada. Oh, I need scissors. Oh, so baho. Oh, Chico. Papasok pa ako. Magna-night shift pa ako. Inupuan mo na ako. Ah, ganito nga yun. Ilan ang binili nila? Ito.
Face mask sa kanila.
Ay, ayaw nilang ganito?
Hindi siguro nila alam.
Ah, okay. So, rice pack siya for the pores. Yan, para ma-minimize ang pores. We'll see if it's effective. What's this? I think deodorant for the foot.
Oh, I wanted to try it.
What's this? Ah, sunscreen na stick. Yeah.
Nagsabi. Si Grace nagsabi niyan.
Ganitong brand?
Yeah.
Nature Republic. Okay, hindi ko pa alam yung ganitong ano. Hindi ko yung nakita sa mga videos, sa mga dapat bilhin.
Oh, ito.
Sige, okay lang. Ay! You like that one?
What?
The chocolate one? Yung ano? Yung parang Bourbon something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mga food. What's this? Like a jelly?
Yeah.
What's the flavor?
Custard.
Custard flavor na parang chocolate something. Haichu! Ay, ano tong mga flavor na to? Yung water, yung drink na
That's
fizzy? Haichu na something. Uy, nauna na si Oli.
That's my favorite.
Ah, ito favorite mo to, dark. Ah, yung ano, combination na dark and milk chocolate. Okay. Kasi parang pareho lang yan sa mga na...
Yeah, I know. That's why I like
Ito, this is our favorite. So we have, anong tawag dito sa, ano?
Muscat.
Yeah, muscat. Tapos peach. Peach, no? Nasa pa isa? Tsaka ito, grapes. Yan. KitKat na peach. Kasi yung last time na punta namin, wala kaming, KitKat na, di ba walang kakaibang KitKat na masarap. Matcha latte niya. Ay, Ay, meron palang strawberry. Yay, sarap yan. Yan, tig-isa kami. Ito, gusto ko to. Tapos nakakatawa kasi maliliit lang to. Hindi mo to natikman. Dati.
Sa kanila. Ayaw nila.
Ako, gusto ko. Gusto ko to. Tapos, super liit. Bitin. Okay. The Jew. Ito, Haichu. Peach. Different kinds of, peach. Merong white, merong Shimizu white peach, tsaka golden peach.
Ayan si Biosecurity.
Ha?
Si Biosecurity.
Security? Ay, may ganito na kailangan mo ata i-fridge to. No?
Broken.
Okay, it's like a cheesecake. Yung si Uncle Tetsu. Cheesecake. Yum. So we have brekkie na bukas. Dalhin natin sa outside with our coffee. So no need to buy. Ito, mag-food pa tayo. Okay, from Vietnam. Halo-halo naman. What's this? Mga lollies. Different kinds of lollies. Different fruit flavors pala ng lollies. Is that it for the food? What's this malaki? Parang I don't know this.
Which one?
Is this another boodle from them? This.
Oh, that's for me. I like it.
For the laundry. Wow, it's the same as Downy. Unstoppable.
Oh, amoy mo.
Oh yeah, it's Sakura. Smells like Sakura. But it's too small.
I wanted to try.
Okay, bango. Oh, there's more of the pads. For the tired legs. So this is one of the popular Dio. Saan mo ito nakuha? Sa ibang donkey? We'll try it. What's this? Is this the... What is this? Nakita ko to eh. Sinend ko to sa'yo eh.
Yeah, I know. I don't know.
Oh my God. What's this? Hindi ba ito yung parang mouthwash or what? Ha? Basta sinend ko yan sa kanya. May siya, may mga ano-ano sa oh. May parang tablets, small tablets na something. This is for the lashes. Pampahaba ng lashes. You should try this. Eyelash serum from Heroin Make. Why are you naluluha? Because of the gastos?
Allergy.
May collagen tablets. There's one more. Ano kaya to? Asan yung phone ko? I-check mo sa isa lang to? Ganito lang?
Yeah. Tikman ko lang.
Ito yung isang yung katulad nito. It's the same. But different flavor. Strawberry. Mahilig kasi si Lane sa strawberry.
This is for the sore throat.
Yeah. So, it's for the sore throat. So, dalawa siya. Tapos yung Dio. Nasaan yung isa? Ito. Dalawa yung binili mo. Okay, this is for the nails. Nail oil. Meron tayong strawberry and peach. Nakita ko lang din yun. Maliit lang talaga siya. Stain remover for the clothes. Iba talaga ang Japan. It's a living, ano sabi nila? Living something. Ito for the, may baby foot din pala sila. Okay. We're gonna do this. Biore makeup remover. Okay, why only one?
Oh, yun. Wala yung sa lista mo.
Yeah, wala.
Ako bumili. Pinili ko lang.
Okay. Makeup remover. Oh, this is so bigat. This is the shampoos.
Imagine pag bit-bit ko yan.
Ba't di ka nagdalang maleta?
Well, siya nga.
Well, you haven't learned the lesson. Remember before? We were struggling.
It's only 200 meters.
Uy, Oli, makat ko yung sarili mo. Yeah, this is the and honey melty shampoo. This is the conditioner. Refillable packs. Kasi meron ako dyan nung bote. Ito, refillable na shampoos. Kasi may bote ako dyan. What golden honey? It's and honey. Conditioners. And this is ito yung maganda, Fino hair mask. At talaga nakaganyan siya. Mas maganda kang ganito, refillable. Okay. Okay, meron pang isang supot. Gamot for everything, for flu. Right? Ay! This is maganda. Super. Ay, isa lang binili mo? Why? This is so refreshing. It's very cooling, wipes. Wet wipes. Super refreshing siya. Oo nga, magkaiba. Pero ito yung na-try natin. Tapos hindi na tayo, wala na stock kasi, before. Pero summer yun no? Bakit kaya wala? Ha? Eh, winter naman ngayon. Oh, that's so weird. Ito, Biore din. Pero zero naman siya. Okay. Masarap sa katawan na yan kapag nagpunas ka. This is cleansing facial cleansing oil. Oh my God, saan natin to ilalagay, Ollie?
Kung nagpabili niya.
Ito, bote ng for the conditioner. Kasi meron na akong shampoo. Ay, may shampoo na ako dyan!
Ikaw nagpabili.
No, I told you not to buy this. But that's okay. No, meron na ako dyan. Kasi last time, walang stock tong conditioner before. This is for the clothes. Anti-wrinkle something. Nakita ko lang siya. Kapag in-spray mo, tapos pag mo yung damit, wala nang lukot.
Pero mas maganda yung nasa hotel. Deodorizer. So, alam mo,
Dapat inuwi mo!
Dapat nag-yakiniko ka. As in, nag-yakiniko kami.
Tapos,
May spray namin sa damit namin, wala nang amoy.
wala na amoy sa mga jacket, ganyan.
Yeah.
Oh, ba't di mo inuwi yun?
Gusto nga nang iulit ni Ellen eh.
Pwede naman ata iuwi yun.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, sayang. Ang inuwi.
Mahanap.
Hindi mo mahanap doon. Siyempre, yung nandun sa nila, sariling nila yun. In-orderan nila sa hindi natin makikita sa labas. Oh, you didn't buy my cow beauty soap.
Yeah, there's no cow in it.
Oh no, seriously? Or tinamad ka lang? I know you. Parang marami pa sa list.
Tao, I haven't been there.
Ay! Tinamad siya kasi puro siya nasa hotel. This is
It's cold.
a peach soap.
Bum soap.
It's a peach beauty soap.
A bum.
I have na like this. You don't have
That's
to buy
for
it.
me.
We have one there.
That's for me.
Oh, it's already too low. You didn't secure.
Kasalanan ng nag-seal.
Oh, it's too low. What's this? Ah, para for the dry heels for the foot.
Hindi ko nahanap yung urea.
Ah, another heroine make for the lashes. What's this? Pore cleaning gel. Is this effective?
Don't know.
We'll see. For the pores.
Oh, yeah. I want that.
Para ma-unclog ang pores sa nose. Only sa nose lang ba yan? Oh, that's it!
Oh,
That's it!
and this one.
Ito, nice to, oh. Di ba, finiture to ni Adrian sa kanyang IG, TikTok, something. For the coins. Pero ang tanong ko nga sa'yo, pag napuno mo na yung tig 5 siya each, lalagay mo pa rin sa coin purse mo.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but it's nice, oh. At least may name na kung anong money siya. What do you call that? Parang hindi ka na maghahanap kung ano.
It's a good collection.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is from the duty free. What's this? Ah, this is the masarap na biscuits. Okay, it's the masarap na biscuits. Milk and cheese. Yung flat, tapos may palaman sa loob.
Hindi yun yung wrapper niya.
Iba.
Open it.
Milk Cheese Factory. Yeah, that's the brand. Oh, nice. Iba yung brand na binili natin before. Mas maganda to. Ayoko sirain ko na ba? Wala nakalagay ka lang ma-expire. Oh, there you go.
Iba yun.
Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory. Oh, this is mascarpone and chocolate. Oh, that's masarap. Salt and camembert. Honey and gorgonzola. Nag-free taste ka?
No.
Oh, hinulaan mo lang kung anong-ano. Oh, this is masarap. It melts in your mouth. Right? Remember? Ay, puro naman siya, I don't know. Ay, ito pala matagal lang. I-keep mo lang para alam natin when.
Uubusin natin.
Lengua! This is so fancy. Parang galing from Paris.
Puro container.
Yeah, itong pag nasa airport ka, di ba? Yung mga pangpasalubong nila, lalaki ng mga boxes. Ah, same!
Oh, is it?
Yeah. But it has 1, 2, 3, 6 flavors. We have caramel, Hokkaido cheese, Hokkaido wine, Giyan something, milk, and matcha milk. Wow! Oh, cute! Ganyan siya, cute. Oh, so colorful. Ang ganda ng packaging nila, oh. Very colorful. Dito pala. Oh, Royce Pure Chocolate. It's creamy milk chocolate.
Because you like milk.
Yeah, I like milk. And then white. I like white. Royce Bar Chocolate. So, it has nutty, chocolate, fruit bar, and matcha. Okay. Sa'yo ang matcha. Oh, there's no more! Huh?
That one in the phone?
Ah, yeah. I forgot. This is the last one. What's this? Is this like a cooler thing? Ah, is this sandwich? The fruit sandwich?
Di nahuli na ako sa immigration sa ano.
Ang cute naman ng packaging nila, oh. Oh! Uy, malamig pa siya in fairness.
Nilagay ko sa fridge eh.
Ano, nilagay mo pa to sa fridge? Royce tiramisu. Oh, nice. Okay, nakasarado pa. Tingnan ko na yun naman. Kasi sikat ang Royce, di ba, sa Japan? Oh! Isang buong bar siya. Nakita mo ba yung laman nito? As in, ganyan siya kalaki. Kung ano yung size ng box.
Are you sure?
Yeah! Ayan o. As in. Nice. Okay. Thank you. Wala tayong thumbnail. Nasaan na yung mga kasama ko? Nilagyan lang ako ng balahibo, iniwan na ako. Ang ganda ng packaging nila, no? Okay. That's it for our vlog today.